gonna show you guys how to make a rocket in 30 seconds. Items required. We need a tea bag. We need a pan of scissors. We need a matchbox or lighter, whatever you want, which can produce flame. We need a plate. Step 1. Uh, take the tea bag, pair of scissors, cut exactly at this point, and align it. Clean it. Step 2. The extra coffee powder, pour it in this plate. Okay? Step 3. Put this aside and keep it straight. Make this tea bag straight and make it stand and like make sure there's no wind in the area wherever you are. Perfectly right it up. Then wait for a few seconds and go. See you now. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also like this video. Bye guys. See you on next video.